Okay, replacing this, in this case the cruise control switch, I've taken the fuse panel off just to give us a bit more light up under there, and you actually can see through this hole a bit if you need to. I don't know if it's there for that reason, but it definitely helps. You can see the mount, see the, where are we? You can see the switch through there. So I took that off as well. Now, yeah, you can see the blue one with the white end is the one. I don't see much difference. They probably do the, you know, they do the same job. They're just an off and on switch. That's all they are. Controlled by the brake pedal, right there. And with the cruise control, you got it on. You touch the brake, that'll turn it off because it's supposed to disengage, and that's its job. So we're just going to turn him to the right. There we go, and it comes straight out like that. To the right, just a fraction. And we just got to undo the wiring. Take this little one out. Yeah, so both wiring plugs line up the same on both of them. So when you turn it, you're turning it clockwise, a bit to your right, and it just pops out. So you got to line that up when you put it back in and turn it to the left, just a little bit for it to click in. What they don't tell you in these videos, how to get the wiring plug out. So the trick is, you've got to find one of these little screwdrivers. This one's a bit rusty, but it doesn't make any difference. And I'll put it up in there, pushed in and pushed up. In, push up. To push out from that little tag. There's a little tag there. There's a little tag. There's a little tag there that holds it in. It pops, obviously the clip clips down, and that stops it from releasing. So when you're pushing that in from down here, you're moving that tab back a bit, which allows you push in and push up, and that allows the little grey clip part of this whole unit to move back, and then you can just push it up over that little mound which is holding it in, just a little bit there. So small, very small screwdriver, flat end screwdriver. Some call it a jeweler screwdriver. Push in and push up. You should be able to just pop it out then. When you're installing it, obviously you line it up with the holes. We went that way to undo it, so we're just putting it back in and going like that, and like that, and then like that, and you're back in business. Thanks for watching.